Hello guys, today I will show you how to weld with the automatic welding machine. First we start here with the water, because this is a water-cooled weld machine. You see inside here is water, here is the maximal level, and you will fill this with water and antifreeze. On the back side we connect it with some gas. In this bottle is contained gas from carbon dioxide and argon. This also is available in Moldova. Now we try to start the machine. We press the button. Machine run on. And we wait a few seconds. Now we have here different settings. The main setting is that this button show the hand. This means this is some manual. All other here is for robotics. This is not usable. The next is this line here. This means that is some standard welding modus. And this button here is not interesting, should have all time to be there. So, how we do now? First, we had done some measurement of the thickness of the welding material. In this case, it's 10 millimeters. We show here. You can press this button, and here you see how much amperes run through the wire. If it's too less or too high, you can change this here. Okay, here I can change the settings for ampere, if it's too less or too high. The next is, I press the button. Here I can change the setting for the speed of the wire. But in the most cases, the automatic settings are the best. Here we are back to the thickness of the material. And you see automatically the voltage change. So, and now we try to start. Magst du schwenken?
Wo soll ich zwingen?
Auf die 2. So, now we try to start. Willi, bist du da? This is Sepp, Walzel, the best, most welding guy ever had. And now he show us how to welding. Sepp, please. Kannst du lassen? Das ist nicht jeder. Die Kamera muss das Sensor hin. Die Kamera muss dann weg, das wird das Sensor hin. So, now we look what Sepp had done. You saw this is with the automatically settings. Total automatically. Sollen wir mir einbringen?
Look.
Passt. Okay. Now you have here another setting. This is called pulsing. Now we go here on pulsing. And you will see the difference. The difference is that you have no sparks. Sepp will show us now. Good job. Ja, wir auf Zeit, ne? So. And you see, it's nearly the same. And always automatically. Now we try to change the settings of ampere. Jetzt, nur damit man es sieht.
Weniger Ampere.
Damit mehr du jetzt. So, I grow the ampere. And we will see what happened. Wir schauen jetzt einmal, was passiert, ist ja wurscht, aber wie geschickt geht. Einfach geschlossen. Daneben, ne? Passt schon. We see that this burn a little more deeper. No. Oder nicht?
Das ist schon zu viel.
This is true. Sepp told that this is too much, was too much amperes. So, it's going lower. Now again we change at thickness, and we go now till next 10 millimeters and normal welding. We go at 10. Is okay. Probieren wir es nochmal. Jetzt haben wir 10 eingestellt. 10 und normal geschossen. Ja, passt schon.
Soll ich wieder weg oder?
Ja, warte schon.
Jetzt, ja.
Geht schon, geht schon.
Mag der Schubschirm vorholen.
So, and we see very wonderful results. The next setting is from pulsing one time in pulsing more time. We do the settings from here till the next. And now Sepp, show us how it is.
Der soll jetzt eine holen oder
Oh,
nicht?
As we can see, in all settings are relative good results from welding. Now we look into the welding machine. So here is the inside of the welding machine. We can see the wire. Here they wrote the weight and the diameter. Diameter in this case is 1 millimeter. This 1 millimeter, we also had set it here. You can choose between 0.8 and 1.6. This is depend of the end of from the hose. And here we have this gas, what we showed before. And the next is the material what you try to weld. This is fair. If all settings are done, you can took the key and no one can change the setting. This is like some safety program for this welding machine.
So, geht schon, ja?
And in the end, I showed these two lucky guys repaired
Jetzt in Ruhe.
the welding machines. And you see the next machines, what are to repair. And I must say thank you in the name of the Moldavian company.